Clean flies. One more try. You don't have to cast that far, okay? Okay, let him run, let him run. Keep the rod in front of you, Chris, okay? There we go. Okay, that's really good. Got it, gentle. I said gentle. Shoot. No, he's not gonna eat again. Give him a break. Find another one. Just a blind fish.
Go help them.
I will. Oh, that was a nice double hookup. Coming, Chris. What did I do with my net? Hey, Phil, would you mind toss my net behind you? Just throw it. Throw it to this bank. Don't change your job to baseball yet. Don't change your job to baseball yet. Okay, doing good, Chris. Just let him run a little bit. I got the video going too.
Right in front of him.
Yeah. I cannot raise, remember, raise arm too. Give it a little more. Yes! I got him on the video, everything. So I told you you're gonna do better this time.
You did better.
I got the camera going. Is that the big one? Okay, easy, I'm coming. Don't move in, don't move in. Oh, nice. Oh, you got the big one. Good job. You can go home now. Just keep your right arm high a little bit. Oh, shaking the head. You gotta keep your arm high. Keep your. No, you gotta keep your arm high like this. There you go. Okay, reel it in, coming a little bit. No, don't worry. Don't. No, it was a short. Come on, Phil. That part you cannot argue with me on that. Because I know when I can land it, when I cannot. Let's go stay right there. Don't chase it. Just keep your arm high. See what happens. No, just a minute. I'm watching. Okay, here it goes. See? The thing is, if you keep chasing it, then they're going to keep going away from you. You understand? You got to know what the fish are doing. Fish wants to do. You read the fish mind. Easy. Raise your right arm high. Don't go sideways. No, don't go sideways. Just keep your arm straight up high. There you go. Oh, yeah, baby. Doing good. Okay, easy. Whenever it shakes, don't reel it in. Cannot reel it in. Okay, reel it in slowly. It's not fighting. Wait. When it's not fighting, that's when you're going to reel it in. Good. Yes! Holy mackerel. I told you at least 22 inches. It's a 20, maybe 23 now. Look at that, right in the mouth. You're done for the day now, got it? Okay, you sit around, have a lunch, serve us lunch, head in the water.
Yeah,
wow, put the right fly on it. You got it. Wow. Phil. Is that money worth paying to me or what? You chased it, side fishing?
It's a good fish.
Yeah, there you go. So these reels are kind of, okay, keep the rod in front of the fish. Keep the rod in front of it. Do my way. I got the video going. So stop right here. This drag is not working. You gotta pull some line out like that, okay? Okay, easy. Pull some line out a little more. Okay, keep the right arm high. There's another one behind it too. We can catch. Okay, raise arm high. There's another one behind. We can catch that one too now. Okay, very good. Can you feel that how the drag is tight? If I go one notch loose, everything falls out. That's why we have to do that. Okay, nice. Shaking the head. Pretty couple. Look at that. Beautiful color. It's got more cutthroat in him than any other fish I've seen on the San Juan so far. Almost red. It's so pretty, I gotta go in. Can you believe that? I never seen this red trout on the San Juan. You got the rarest one so far. Okay, now you can reel it in. We got the current to bring down. You're doing pretty good, Chris. So turn your torso towards the fish a little more. Keep your arm in front of it like this. Look at me, like this, instead of sideways. There you go. Keep your right arm high, elbow high a little bit. That's good. Okay, it's coming in. Okay, whenever come in, don't be afraid to reel it in, okay? Reel. Yes! Wow, look at this. Can you see the color? Wow! Right there. See it? Right in the mouth. Is that small I put in there?
Yep.
That's why it looks like hatching right now. Okay, hang on. Just hold it right there. This is the video before it jump out of your hand. Never know, it could happen. You know what I mean? There we have it. Wow, look at the color. Man, you caught the rarest one. My 30-some years of salmon never caught this one. You lost last 2 fish. Don't do that no more, got it?
Oh,
Go help him land there with my net.
I'm not small net.
You gotta help me.
You got me?
Yeah. So I can tie your... Oh, that's a big fish. Get him? Oh, yeah.
Of course I got him.
One of you. Towards the fish. There you go. Good. So you guys always, that's why you lose the fish. You understand?
I got you.
Don't pull. Good. Good job. That's a bass fishing there, bud. It's a trout fishing. Nice job. I wish I would have turned the camera a little sooner. Hey, this fun or what?
Good.
Okay, don't pull backwards too much.
Okay.
Like that, yeah. Don't let the head come out of the water. Just stay on the... Another one to end this candy. All that. Nice job. That's towards the fish. There we go.
Good job, Chris.
He wasn't even. I wasn't even watching. Okay, just keep the torso towards fish. Don't go. There we go. All right. See, that's called bonus fish. You weren't even watching. Get it? In other words, I call that a head fake. So this is what I meant. Turn your don't move your feet.
I got it.
Torso toward. No.
I know, but he's got a net him, so I'm good.
Yeah, but you gotta do those things too. Yeah. Yeah, but whenever fish goes left, torso left, torso right. That's a good start. Yeah.
It's a great fish.
You guys are doing good. Yeah. Yeah, you go help him. I'm gonna put the fly back. Just change your man. Okay. Hey, is my video going right here? Is it light up? The numbers and stuff showing up?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. It's a different guy yesterday. He turned the torso towards the fish too. That's good. But one thing, you don't want to lift the head out or too much, okay? Nice fish. Okay, take your time. Once the head comes in, raise your right arm high slowly. It's gonna turn the head. Don't have a time to, oh, that's good, that's good. That's when you gotta pull in slowly. He's not fighting. Get ready. Coop, got it. Yes, another nice one. Aren't you glad you came for me again? Huh? Hey. Hey. Let me see a bigger smile. There we go. Okay, put the head in the water. I'll get the hook out. Just keep it in there. Let me turn the camera off. Where's the net? Here. Oh yeah, decent fish. Hey, Coop, come over here. You're gonna chase him up a little bit. Just what we were doing yesterday. Just walk out there, that'll push the fish upstream. Here it goes. So the stay right there, don't chase no more now. When fish comes into slow water, very good. Dang, you got some lessons from yesterday. Huh, capture? Okay, now go close to him slowly. Okay, now easy now. Whenever it's a fast water out there, you gotta ease on it. Good. It's gonna come back in. Once it come back in, the slow water. Very good. Yeah, the couple. Oh yeah, nice. Very, very big. Oh, got him. Nice one.
Look how fat that boy is.
All right, look over here, you guys.
Here we go. That's surfing.
Hey, come on over here. You can fish from me over here. Good job there, Coop. Come in sec. So you probably see fly a little better here. Got it. I like that. Yeah, turn the torso towards the fish and all that. There you go. Let me get the net. Don't hold the line. Right finger there. There you go. No, you're pulling downwards too much. Turn your torso. There we go. Thank you very much. Clean fish. Yeah, raise your arm high right now. They'll bring the fish in. You can land quick and catch another one. Okay, let it go one more time. I gotta teach you that the next time, okay? So you land fast, that means you can catch another one faster, right? Yeah, while you're releasing in, raise your arm too again. Raise your arm.
Head up.
While you're releasing in, raise your arm higher. Okay, let go again. I still got a lot to teach you. Don't lift the head out of the water, okay? Just skim it. Release in whenever it comes in. Don't be afraid. Yeah, this guy's really clean. Nobody caught this guy before. Okay, easy. Raise your arm high too. So when you raise your arm and release at the same time, fish cannot quite turn, okay? Now right now, let him run. When he turns head towards us, okay, now reel, lift him high. See, that brings us so fast. Get it? Look at your smile there. Getting bigger each time with me. What actually, the video was going. You're pulling too much backwards again. There we go. Thank you very much. Hey, two more, you can go to parking lot, okay? You told me that. You want to go back earlier. So at least one. I said 3 or 4 more. So this, if you get one more, then
That rain's
yeah.
storm. It's gonna be on the other side.
Can I raise your arm right arm high? There you go. Okay, let him run again a little bit. Okay, don't lift the whole thing out of the water, okay? So then lower the rod a little bit. And then when the fish head turns, raise them high. It's going further. No, don't palm it. So whenever it comes in, really fast. As long as he doesn't turn, okay? Now really fast. Fast. You had it? Good. Okay, now raise your arm high too. When it comes in. There you go. Another one in the net. Now you're grinning all the way year to year now.